In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook. If emails you care about are landing in junk or not showing up at all, adding them to your safe list tells Outlook to trust those senders and deliver them straight to your inbox. Start by opening Outlook in your web browser and signing into your account. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open the quick settings panel. From there, you'll see a link to view all Outlook settings. Choose that so you can access the full set of options. In the settings window, select Mail from the left-hand navigation. This groups together everything related to how your messages are handled. Within Mail, find and click Junk Email. This is where Outlook controls spam filtering and, importantly, where you can tell it which senders you trust. On the Junk Email page, look for the section called Safe Senders and Domains. Items you add here are exempt from junk filtering. Think of it this way: add a single email address if you only want messages from that specific sender. Add a domain if you want to allow all addresses from that company. For example, adding example.com will trust anything that comes from any address that ends in example.com. Use a domain only when you're confident you want to trust everyone from that organization. Next, click Add Safe Sender. A small field will appear for your entry. Type either the exact email address, like name@example.com, or just the domain, such as example.com. Spelling matters here, so take a moment to double check there are no extra spaces or punctuation. If you add a domain, you don't need the @ symbol, just the domain name is fine. When you've entered the address or domain, click OK to confirm it. You should now see your new entry listed under Safe Senders and Domains. This is your visual confirmation that Outlook has stored the change. Before leaving this page, make sure you click Save. This step locks in your change so it applies to future messages. Without saving, your safe sender won't be remembered. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. Whitelisting affects new incoming mail, so messages already in junk won't automatically move. You can pull them back to your inbox if needed. Also, safe senders bypass junk filtering, so avoid adding broad or untrusted domains. That's it. You've added a trusted email or domain in Outlook, helping important messages land where they belong.